Damme provides us with a cleaning installation to easily steam clean our machines so that our machines can be rented out clean to the next customer. For us, Damme is a reliable service partner that we can call on when we need a quick intervention so that we have less downtime for our machines. As far as I know, we've been working with Damme for about 10 years now. The collaboration is actually going smoothly. If we have a problem with the machine, they usually come by within 2 days to carry out the repair, and it's always resolved pretty quickly. If the burner isn't working, for example, and there's no hot water coming out, then they have to come and see what the problem is with the pressure washer. Sometimes they take it with them to repair it on site. That also means they can repair it in a short time, so we don't have too much downtime with our cleaning installation. Here you can see the previous cleaning installation with a kind of folded arm that came from above. Because we had a lot of problems with the previous installation's arm being broken by vehicles, they opted here to install a rail system on both sides of the cleaning installation so that the arm is out of the way and can no longer be hit. That's the difference with this installation now. You can steam clean from 2 sides of the machine, whereas before you could only do it from above and had limited movement around the machine. This is the second installation that we use for the drivers and machine preparers to immediately steam clean and put away the machines that come directly off the truck. This installation has been here for 1 year now. So far we haven't had many problems with it, so for a new installation that's definitely good.